tell me we're ready.
Okay.
No, go sit.
She's gonna get you. Okay, we're ready.
You recording?
Yeah.
Here we come.
Jamil, if you die, I love you.
I love everybody still. I feel like I'm just collecting snow.
Hold on. Oh, I cut your head off. Shit. Hold on. I don't know what Trixie is.
Yo, man, it's in my face. Yo. I thought he was going to go like around the corner.
No, he's going slow. Well, hold on now.
I feel like I'm going to go under the truck.
Oh, shit. I would just hate if I recorded that, Jamil. What would I do? Where's Trixie? No! I thought she was gonna.
Oh, this is not fun. I just hope I don't go under.
Look at me, watch us get like pulled over.
Oh.
If there's any bumps.
I don't want to go under the truck.
Oh, God. How would you stop that? Yo, this is bad. Oh my God, my hands are freezing. Go.
Yo, that was mad fun, people. Try that hold on.
I hope I didn't cut your head off in the commotion.
I hope no cops come get us.
I know, I said this before. We left the baby in the house. Oh, God. Wait, the brake lights are doing good, though. It's making it nice and bright.
Hello, people.
You're going to start a new mode of transportation. Oh, man.
Okay, not again.
It's a good thing Mike's out here. He'd be on the other end. Pushing each other. It's actually, when you watch it... Uh-oh. Hold on! Oh, no!
I'm the new bottle of Conan.
Did you bring extra clothes?
I got stuck in the corner under there. This is all going in the tire.
Oh my God, are you cold? Hold on!
Shit. Hope I don't hit that car.
You need glasses to cover your eyes. Oh shit. Oh my God. So are they coming down the block? That's
Oh my God.
I wonder where Trixie went.
Hope we don't hit Trixie.
Nah, she knows. She's probably by the door crying. Home sweet home. Good job. Alright, I'm stopping it.